Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A black and Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Set all season floor mats and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, burl walnut wood trim, heated seats, Burmeister sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you command with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 18,449 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.